Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts.com. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create search engine friendly URL slugs using the WebStarts store application. That'll help you get better search engine ranking for your product pages on search engines like Google. But before I do that, I'd like to invite you to tap the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you'll be the first to find out when I release a new video on web design, internet marketing, search engine optimization, and other subjects. All right, let's get in. Let's go to webstarts.com, click on Get Started, it's free, and then sign up for an account if you already have one. Since we're creating a store, I suggest choosing a layout from the online store category, but you can add a store to any one of the WebStarts web design, so it doesn't have to be one that's specifically listed here under the online store category. Also, you can change any of these designs at any time, so you really can't make a mistake, and they're all 100% customizable, so you can make them look however you want. So just click on select, and then you're going to be taken to a page where you sign up and create an account, and then in the next step you'll even choose a web address for your website. It's free to sign up, and WebStarts offers a couple paid options if you want to have some more premium features like add your own domain name and have some professional looking email addresses. All right, I've already created my account, so I'm just going to log into an existing account, and I click login, and I have multiple websites in my account. If you only have one, you'll go straight to the dashboard. Here is what you'll see once you're logged into the dashboard. And to get started with the store application, make sure it's blue by clicking to enable it. You can change it from gray to blue, and then it's enabled. I've already created some products in my store, but the first time that you log in, you're not going to have any products, and you're going to want to create a product by clicking add product up here, and then you'll give your product a name. Now, something that you'll want to keep in mind when creating a product name is it could be helpful to get better search engine ranking by including some of the keywords and phrases people use to find your product in the title itself, along with the description, and then ultimately the URL slug, which we're going to be showing you in this video. So let's say, for example, I am selling a crew neck t-shirt, which is just the placeholder text because that's what we use. But and then down here I'm going to say crew neck t-shirt 100% cotton. You can put whatever you want for your description. Once again, whatever keywords you use in that description could potentially influence where your search engine ranking is going to be. Down here you can put things too, like t-shirt. These are just to help you have a better search experience on your website, because you can enable a search widget basically in the store that'll allow your customers to search by keyword, and these are the keywords that you could enter here. So you could say cotton. You'd enter whatever keywords were relevant there. Next, you click here to add an image. You know, if we were going to add an image, we just select one or upload. We'll load one from our local computer, and you can do the same thing if you have videos, and you can add multiple images and that sort of thing. Then we're going to pop in our price. You can give it whatever price you want. Of course, check this box if you're going to charge tax. And then finally, we get down to the SEO section. That stands for search engine optimization. And this is really the focus of the video, is creating a search engine friendly URL. So in this example, it's using the title, the keywords from the title that I created by default, and that's what WebStarts is going to do. But if you wanted to add other keywords to that, for example, maybe the color or whatever, you can edit this URL however you see fit. Oops, I accidentally clicked away from there, but nonetheless, you can do this with any one of these products. Just go in here and add the keywords separated by dash. What's going to happen is Google is going to crawl this page. It's going to see that the URL itself has some of the keywords in it. Then it's going to see that the product title and description also have the keyword in it. It's going to report back to Google servers, and then they're going to find that page more relevant than other search listings. So I hope you found this video helpful, and hopefully some of the methods that I taught in this video will help you get better search engine ranking for your store. Thanks for watching, and once again, don't forget to visit webstarts.com to create your very own free online store. And I'll see you next time.